Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to Salesmate contact. So in this case I want whenever a new contact is created in my Salesmate account, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that contact. So to automate this process we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Salesmate and our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send an automated WhatsApp message to all the new contacts which are created in your Salesmate account. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as send WhatsApp message to Salesmate contact. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's start our automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Salesmate and my trigger event as new contact. Here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our Salesmate account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, here I have already logged in my Salesmate account. From here I'm going to click on my profile and from here I'm going to click on this setup. Here in our setup I'm going to select automation, and here in automation we are going to select workflow management, and from here we are going to click on this plus new rule. Here it is asking for rule name, so here I'm going to give a random rule name such as WhatsApp message. If you want to give a description, you can give it or you can leave it blank. Now I'm going to click on this next. Moving forward, here in execute on, I'm going to select create because I want this workflow should be executed whenever a new contact is created. Moving forward, here I'm going to click on this next. Moving little more forward. In this rule criteria, I don't want to add any of the conditions, so I'm going to skip this step. Moving forward. Here in actions, I'm going to click on this call webhooks. And in this call webhooks, I'm going to give a name to my webhook such as WhatsApp message. Moving forward, here I'm going to select my method as post. And here it is asking for URL to notify. So moving back to Pabbly, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And now I'm going to paste in my Salesmate account. Here I'm pasting the URL. Moving forward, here I'm going to click on this body. Here I'm going to select form data. And here it is asking for key and value. So here in key and value, I'm going to select the key and values which I want in the response of my trigger. So for the key and value, here I'm going to search for the first key. Here I want first name, selecting the first name. Now I want another key, so I'm clicking on this add button. Here I'm going to search for the another key, which is last name. One more, email, one more. And the last one is phone number. So here I've inserted all the values and now I'm going to insert the key. Here I'm going to give the key as first name, last name. You can give the keys as per your needs. Here I'm done entering the key and values, and now I'm going to click on the save, and then I'm going to click on the save again. And here you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name WhatsApp message. So now moving back to Pabbly. Here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here we need to do a test submission. So to do a test submission, I'm going to submit a form which I've created for my Salesmate. So this is the form. Here I'm going to enter the details. Here I'm going to enter the first name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummylead@pabblytunes.com, and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this submit. So here you can see the form is successfully submitted. So moving back to Pabbly. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received mobile number, last name, first name and email. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. and my action event is send template message. And now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Moving forward, here it is asking for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all these details, I need to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here in Meta for developers, I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Here you can see I have received temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But here you can see I have received temporary access token. That means this token will expire in 23 hours. So to build a permanent connection, you need a permanent access token. And for that, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So to learn how to do this, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly window. Here I've pasted all the details and now I'm going to click on the save. After building the connection, moving forward, here it is asking for template name. So for that, let me take you back to my WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. Here in my message template window, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use. If you want to learn how to create your own template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Now here I'm going to select my desired template. And here you can see the message which I have drafted which says, hello, we are always eager to connect with amazing people like you. Whether you are interested in our latest products, exclusive offers, or just want to stay updated with what we are up to, we have got you covered. I'd love to learn more about your requirements and discuss how we can assist you further. Feel free to reply to this message and let's schedule a time to chat. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Regards, demo user. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. That is because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the value of this variable should be updated with the new lead name. Variables makes our text dynamic. You can add multiple variables in your text. Now moving back to Pabbly, here I'm going to select my template name as lead form. And after selecting this template name, automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. Moving forward, here it is asking for recipient mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send a WhatsApp message. So instead of entering it manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Salesmate account. So here I'm going to map the data. Here I'm going to search for the phone number. Moving forward, here it is asking for body field 1. That means here I need to map the data for my variable. So here I'm going to search for the name, first name, space, last name. So here I'm done mapping the data. So because of mapping, these lead details have become dynamic. That means whenever a new contact is created in my Salesmate, these lead details will be updated automatically. Now before clicking on save and send test request, here I am going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've entered the number and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received message status as accepted. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. So here in WhatsApp you can see we have received a message which says, hello dummy lead. We are always eager to connect with amazing people like you. Whether you are interested in our latest products, exclusive offers or just want to stay updated with what we are up to, we have got you covered. I'd love to learn more about your requirements and discuss how we can assist you further. Feel free to reply to this message and let's schedule a time to chat. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Regards, demo user. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So now to do a test submission, we need to submit a new lead form. So here in lead form, I'm going to refresh this form. And now I'm going to fill another dummy data. Here I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name as lead, email as test@pabblytunes.com. And this time I'm going to enter my original phone number. And now I'm going to click on the submit. Here you can see the form is successfully submitted. It may take few seconds to receive a new WhatsApp message. Now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received another message with different name but the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Salesmate and our action as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever a new contact is created in my Salesmate account, automatically a new WhatsApp message should be sent to that contact. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.